guys, I hope you're all having a great weekend. Today we are making some egg fried rice, a very simple dish to make. I just want to show you how easy it is to make and how quick you can put it together and what is essential that you would need. My suggestion would be just go ahead and prep your vegetables before. That's the only thing that takes a few minutes longer than 10 minutes to make, because you still have to prep those. And these are the ingredients that we will be using. Obviously we have chicken, because today I will be adding chicken to the egg fried rice. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using today. Now that my chicken is ready, which you can prepare the night before, obviously, we're going to make our chicken fried rice. We're going to make egg fried rice and add chicken to it. So here we have our eggs, we have our green onions, we have saffron rice today because that's what I made last night. You don't want to use fresh rice. We have shallots and the whites of the green onions, ginger and garlic, and guess what? MSG, soy sauce, and sambal. I pre-season the chicken, and then after that I just give it a quick saute. Make sure that it's all cooked all the way through, so that when we add it to the end of our dish, it doesn't take 2 minutes to come together. So what is essential for me when I'm making this dish, I like to use my wok. I have an induction wok that is really well seasoned, and all that means is that when you purchase your wok, if you have one or if you're interested in buying one, make sure that you season it well, or you can purchase them pre-seasoned. And the way you season the wok, you probably just have to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for that one. And so I use this one. It's got a nice base. It means you can turn and you can have, whenever you're making a stir fry, evenly cooked and at a fast pace. And if you do not want to use your wok, you can use a large pan. And when I use the large pan, I put actually everything together. I'll make the chicken and then all the seasonings, and then add the rice, and then I'll show you how that goes in just a few minutes. But besides that, really all you would need is your utensils, some rice and some eggs, and just a few ingredients. So as usual, if you like this video, please go ahead and comment and like, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you can, and make comments or suggestions. But in the meantime, let's get cooking and let's have a wonderful day today. Thank you for watching. Now our rice is made. Made it both ways, one in the wok, one in the fryer or a grill, a large pan. So this one is the one that was made in the wok. This one is just as delicious, just as good, same ingredients, comes out the exact same way, a little bit more egg in here maybe. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video and it was easy to follow along. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment if you have any comments or if you have any suggestions or if you have an easier way on how to make the fried rice. It literally didn't take me that long to make it both ways just for this video. So I'm pretty sure you'll be able to follow along. Please be sure to come back again and see us. We'll have more recipes soon. And follow me on Facebook. You'll get the full recipe as well. Have a good day.